Okay, let's do an experiment. I just got done picking this thing, and the feedback felt really odd. It was different. So I thought, I wonder if it's just needs a little something. So let's give it a squirt. Probably should just rake it. Now, let's see if it picks a little better. Curious. Sorry about the background noise. Daddy duty calls all the time. Okay, let's see if that makes any difference. Like I said, I was able to get it, but man, just it was more of a struggle than what it should have been. So let's just see if it's a little better to pick. See if I feel like the feedback's different at all. First pin. Hear that like, oh yeah. I think that was an overset. See if we drop it down. Better I reset it. Oh, there we go. Full set back. Let's see here. Definitely, it's an overset. Got it back. Definitely feels better. So hooray to Lock Houdini. Making a big difference here. Yeah, back. Okay, I think if I sprayed it again, it would probably do even better. But wow, major improvement. Okay, I know it's always a thing to try, and I just don't ever really do it. And tonight I thought we could experiment together, and I will say, no doubt, hands down, that giving this a little spray made a big difference. So I'm probably gonna hit it again and pick it again. Thanks for watching. Try it out.